Get ready for some jaw-dropping moments as we see just how tough this device really is. First up, Young starting with the phone for a 1-meter drop test. That's about 3.28 feet. Boom. It hits the hardwood floor. The Mate XT walks away like nothing happened. Easy win. But let's take it up a notch. How about granite? Round 2, same height, 1 meter. And bam, not a scratch. This phone is unfazed. Young raises the stakes. It's time for the 1.5-meter drop. And still, no issues at all. The Mate XT stays fully functional like a champ. Round 4 is a bit more brutal. 1.5 meters onto granite. And crash. It lands with force, but incredibly, the phone is still intact. This thing is built like a tank. But now, let's crank it up to the highest level, the ultimate 2-meter drop test. Boom. Some minor scratches here and there. It's still going strong. Round 6 though. Get ready for this. The noise is loud, the impact is huge, and it looks like the phone's taken quite a hit. Hold on, it's still working. Now, for the final boss of durability tests, the dreaded asphalt concrete drop. This surface is rough, and it's about to get real. Here we go. Round 7, 2 meters onto asphalt. Let's see what happens. And finally, the Mate XT shows signs of surrender. The screen has damaged lines, dead pixels, and after a few folds, large areas go bad. The hinge still works, but the screen has taken too much. The Mate XT has finally been defeated, but not without putting up an impressive fight. So, after all that punishment, what can we say? The Huawei Mate XT is a lot more durable than expected for such a complex trifold design. It held its ground against hardwood, granite, and even asphalt, proving itself to be a serious contender in the foldable phone world. The Mate XT's trifold design isn't just about looks, it's about productivity and versatility. You've got a massive display for multitasking, and despite its elegant design, it's tough as nails. The hinge mechanism is rock solid, and as we've seen, the phone can handle quite a bit of abuse before showing any signs of damage. For anyone looking for a blend of cutting-edge design and durability, the Huawei Mate XT is definitely raising the bar in the foldable phone game. This trifold phone is all about pushing boundaries. Its unique design allows you to unfold a massive display, giving you a tablet-like experience in the palm of your hand. Perfect for multitasking, whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or working on the go. But it's not just about size. The Mate XT's display is stunning. With sharp, vibrant colors and an ultra-thin bezel, it delivers an immersive viewing experience. The hinge mechanism? Smooth, sturdy, and built to last. You can fold and unfold the phone hundreds of times without worry. Plus, it's packed with flagship-level performance, boasting a powerful processor, great battery life, and impressive cameras.